Travertino's new concept is ideal for prestigious internal decoration, both on new walls or if the wall has old paint in it. All you need to do is apply one coat of primer RV and leave it to dry for 24 hours. Apply the first coat of Travertino with a stainless steel float as even as possible. When completely dry, apply the second coat of Travertino. This coat should be a little thicker than the first coat. Straight away, using a sponge roll, go back over the surface in order to obtain a crispy effect. Leave it to dry for about 5 minutes and gently smoothen the surface with a stainless steel float. At this point, you can use your own fantasy by creating blocks of Travertino simply by incurving vertical or horizontal lines. This depends on the finish effect you desire, as you can see in the video. After about 10 to 15 minutes, when the Travertino is about to dry, scratch the surface with a flat trowel. Leave it to dry for 24 hours and apply another coat of Travertino only on the area that you require to stand out smooth, as you can see here in the video. After a few minutes, smoothen with a stainless steel float and leave it to dry. Before applying articera, clean the surface with a stainless steel float as you can see in the video. Apply the arte cera with a sponge float and clean off the excess cera.